How you doing? Not keeping you very long at all today. We're going to do some egg mayo. I've got some turkey bacon, parsley, mayonnaise of course, salt, pepper, and I've also got in there a bit of mustard. Absolutely delicious. Let's get on with it. Okay, so this is super easy, isn't it? Well, I've got 3 hard-boiled eggs there. I've got 3 rashers of bacon. I've got a turkey bacon that I'm using. Use pork bacon if you want. I've got 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise and 1 tablespoon of a mild Dijon mustard. You could use an English mustard, for example, if you wanted something with a bit more kick. 1 sprig of green onion or spring onions and some chopped parsley, a bit of salt and pepper. That's it, off we go. So, mixing bowl. Got my little bit of turkey bacon, the parsley, and the spring onions, or green onions, whatever you call them. Just going to grab our eggs, cut them in half, and then chop them in. You can cut them really nice and small if you want, or chunky, up to you. I'm just going half, and then in they go roughly like that. Little bit of salt, not going crazy with the salt. Black pepper. I don't mind being a bit more generous with the black pepper. And then the mayonnaise and the mustard. Twice as much mayo to mustard. Let's give that a mix. We're done. And that's it, super easy. Now, I don't like my salad swimming in mayo. You can add a bit more if you want. I like it just like that. Absolutely delicious. See you later. Thank you so much for checking out our videos. We're currently steaming ahead to actually reaching nearly 100 million views, which is fantastic. I think we've got over 3,000 uploads now. We've really been going at it since I think 2012 we started back in the day. But yeah, thanks so much for watching our videos. Please do give us a thumbs up. It really does help us out a great deal, and also leave a comment. We do like to hear from you. Now, what we've been up to, so lots going on. We're now based in Bahrain. We're here for a little while. In the kitchen here, which is fantastic. We're having a great time. Kids are really enjoying themselves. We are cooking away at a rapid rate, trying to do this new series called Eating with Locals, where I want to go and eat with different, people from different nationalities and eat their food and have a little chat, see if I can learn something. Hoping this COVID thing's gonna shift. Don't know when it's gonna happen, but maybe soon. If it does, I'm gonna get back on the road. I want to get back on an aeroplane, as I'm sure many of you do as well, and get out there and sort of, see the sights, taste some food and meet some people. It would be fantastic if you would buy us a cup of coffee, help us along with the channel. We're not funded in any way, we're self-funded. We don't endorse any products. There's a link down below. If you would like to buy me a coffee, couple of dollars or whatever you want, just follow the link. That would be fantastic. That's about it. We're doing great, and we hope that you're doing fine, and we'll see you soon. Lots of love.